Please wait a few minutes before configuring your private server again. On Roblox indicates you've made configuration changes to your private server too frequently. Here's what you can do. Wait. This is the most straightforward solution. Roblox implements a cooldown to prevent overwhelming their servers with configuration requests. Simply wait a few minutes, as suggested by the message, before trying to configure your private server again. Check configuration needs. Before retrying, consider if all the necessary configurations are done. This might save you from making repeated attempts if everything is set. Possible causes: less likely. Temporary Roblox issue. In rare cases, the issue might be temporary on Roblox's end. You can check the Roblox status link to status.roblox.com to see if there are any reported server problems. What to avoid: rapid reconfiguration. Avoid making numerous configuration changes in a short period. This triggers the cooldown message more frequently. If the problem persists, Roblox support. If waiting and checking configurations don't resolve the issue, consider contacting Roblox support link to en.help.roblox.com for further assistance. They can investigate any underlying problems.